Are you thinking about starting beekeeping? Don't let the sting of a bad first year ruin your whole experience. Hi, my name is Ray. I'm a certified master beekeeper, and I put together a video course that I call Ray's Ultimate Beginner's Beekeeping Course. In it, I go over so many of the essential things that you need to be successful and honestly, to make your first year of beekeeping really sweet. Did you see what I did there? We go over all of the basics that you need to know to be successful in your beekeeping journey. How to buy equipment, how to buy bees, how to set up your hive, where to set up your hive, various types of hives, bee biology, nutritional needs of your hives, dealing with different pests that are going to wreak havoc or try to destroy your hive in the first year, and so much more. As a matter of fact, my bee course has over 40 lessons, as well as a bunch of bonus material that I've added onto some of the lessons to give you a thorough education. It is a complete guide to try to lay a good foundation of beekeeping so that you're not just learning through a random rabbit trail of YouTube videos. It's organized, it's comprehensive, and it will give you a reference to be able to go back to time and time again when you have questions. My goal is to give you confidence in your beekeeping journey. You'll know what you're looking at when you're inside your hive, you'll know how to tackle some of the common problems, and most of all, I'm going to address how to avoid the major mistakes that I see beginning beekeepers make over and over and over again, which leads ultimately to them being discouraged, their hives being lost, and them quitting. Statistics show that 80% of beekeepers that get started quit in the first 2 years. And most of that is because they just make these same mistakes over and over again. So let's stop the guesswork. Let's approach our beekeeping with confidence. And you can do so today by getting started. Head over to my website at www.honeytopbees.com and check out my Ultimate Beekeeping course and use my name, Ray, at checkout for a generous discount off of the list price. I'll see you over there. God bless.